All right, so this video is explaining to you equivalent expressions, and this is iXL Level H Y16. So here I have which expression is equivalent to 6 and then in parentheses 2q. So this tells me that in the parentheses, I have to take what's there and multiply the 6 with the 2q. So 6 times 2 is going to give me 12, and that means I have 12q. Okay. Now this one is unique because I have to use the distributive property. So I need to take 8 times the k, which would give me 8k, and I have to take 8 times the 3, which is going to give me 24. So be careful with this because they give you two different options that look similar, but remember we have 8k plus 24. With this one is similar to the last one. I have 3 times y, and I have to distribute the 3 to the other 3 in the problem, which is going to give me 9. And this one, I have 5 times whatever's in the parentheses. So 5 times 8 is 40, and that gives me 40n. Here I have 3 times 6c. 3 times 6 is 18, so I'm down to 2 choices here. And then I also have to remember that 3 times 7 is 21, so that's going to leave me with this option here. Okay, 7 times 3 is 21, and I have that F there, so that would be 21F. This is a little different because that's not one of the choices that they're giving me. I have F plus 21, which is the only option with 21 in it. So let's brainstorm this a little bit more. It's saying 3F plus 7 here, or 7 plus 3F. If I take those and turn it into an addition problem, I don't think I'm going to get the same answer. Or if I think about multiplication and I can do 7 times 3 or 3 times 7, I should still get the same answer. So let's take a look at this one. And that was the correct choice. Okay. Remember, if you're running into trouble with trying to figure out which to choose, use process of elimination like we just did in that last problem. You could get the problem incorrect and then look at the solution explanation. You could also email me if you have questions. Let's take a look at this one here. This one is something we haven't run into yet either. We have 3r plus 7r. Since both the terms are alike, I can add 3 plus 7 together to get 10, and that would give me 10r, but I don't have 10r as a choice. Let's see, I don't think I want to multiply when it's an addition problem. I don't want to do 8r plus 3r. If I add these together, I'm not going to get 9. 4r plus 7r. This is interesting. You know, I'm not too sure about this one, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and click and see what happens in my explanation. So it's saying r plus 10. Let's go ahead and take a look at what happens here. So I chose 9r. And let's see here. Two expressions are equivalent if they are the same when written in standard form. So 3 times x plus 4, that would give me 3x plus 4, and 2x plus x plus 12 are equivalent. that would give me 3x plus 12. Oh, 3 times x is 3x, plus 3 times 4 is 12. 2x plus x is going to give me 3x plus 12. They both give me the same thing. Okay, so if I take a look now, I have 3r plus 7r would be 10r, which is what I was thinking. And they're saying that the answer should have been 8r plus 3r, which would be 11r. And 4r plus 7r is 11r. But r times 10 would be 10r. The same answer as what I was getting. Okay, got it. Boy, that got a little tricky. Let's take a look at this one. 2 times 3m is 6m. 2 times 1 is 2. So 6m plus 2. Okay. Now it looks like they're giving us another one of those tricky ones because this together added would be 15a. So this is 15 plus a would also be 15a or 16a. 15 times a would be 15a. This is not right with the exponents, and this says 16a. I'm thinking that this, if I have another a plus 15, I don't think this is 15a. I don't think you can add these together because they're not like terms. And here I have a times 15. I'm gonna go with this one. Let's try it. Okay, I'm brilliant. Let's end on that note. I like that. If you have any other questions, go ahead and email me and we can struggle through this one together. All right, have a good day.